To rip out the tub liner, there's 3 bolts down either side of the roller cover underneath. Undo those, and then on top of the roller cover at the front near the rear window, there's some Sikaflex on each side. Cut through that, and then you can pull the roller cover backwards and clamp it. So at the back, you've got a few bolts there. Undo those, rip those bits off. You rip off the clamps down either side, 3 of them. That'll let you rip the tub liner out, and with the roller cover back, you can now get those bolts at the front. Then pull it up in the middle and start cutting with some tin snips. I also used a grinder with a cutting wheel and just slices through the plastic pretty easily. A Stanley knife may come in handy at some points as well. Just be careful not to go through and damage the paint. You save some considerable room here. 90mm at the base, 40mm at the top, the front, and about 20mm on the base itself. Once you've pulled it all out, then put back everything that you've unbolted. Nice and simple. So it looks nice and clean. Then grab some Sikaflex, redo that at the top of the front. Obviously ensure you seal that correctly when doing it. So you can put a little bit of spray and wipe or something like that on there and push it down with your finger. Make sure it's got good contact. It's obviously there for a reason. Not real sure what the reason is, but whether it's just to hold the front or seal, there's a problem with the corners leaking. Then we need to reroute these drain hoses at the back. So rip out the tail lights on either side, 2 screws, nice and easy, and take out the grommets from the tub liner. And we're going to drill 18mm holes through either side. Then you put a bit of paint around them, pop your grommets in, slide the hoses through, down behind. There's a little hole at the back, at the bottom here. Pop the hose out there and you're all done. Put the lights back in. And that's tub liner removal complete.